Welcome to Vivero Growers Nursery. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Brandon.
All right, this week's favorites, the cannas.
Oh yeah.
All right, look at the color combination. It's endless. Height, leaf, flower.
Yeah, it's just, so many people come in here wanting something tropical, and we live in such a dry place, very few options. This is an easy, big tropical foliage plant that, like you said, blooms galore. It's gonna bloom all summer long, and then, in the winter it will die back, but it will come back.
Yes, it's a great plant to plant it forward. You can divide them, you can share with your friends, but great in a container, great near the pool, great near or even in the pond.
And a lot of them are pretty tall, 4 or 5 feet in stature, but there are some varieties that keep low in the 2-foot range. And there's lots of variation in the foliage right here, but there's also just some plain green foliage that, is nice and simple.
Yeah, we love the canna.
The other favorite for this week is the amazingly fragrant almond verbena. What a wonderful plant for all the pollinators. Bees and butterflies love this thing.
Yeah, this is a fun one because it can handle that full sun area or part sun, can be chopped down and held in control or let grow up 12 plus feet, get wispy, even pruned up, show some trunk structure to it.
Oh, yeah.
But yes, the flowers are wonderful and it brings all the fun guests into the yard.
Yeah, and it's gonna bloom spring through fall. It is deciduous.
Loses leaves.
But this is such a fast grower that, you can't really beat all the texture and the amazing things you can use this in the garden.
Yeah, wonderful benefits, the almond verbena.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. Tune in next week and like and subscribe.
Thank you.